This is the recipe of emperor fish frying, also known as Mulla fish in Pakistan. Before we start, closed captions are available in all languages. Just go to captions and then go to auto translate and then select the language that you prefer your captions to be in. So as we know, this is Mulla fish, which is cut into slices. As you can see here, this size and thickness of the slice would be more than enough. So first we'll prepare the mixture for the marination. 4 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon white flour, half tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 pinch of garam seeds, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Mix it all up. Add 1 large size lemon and squeeze it. Add 1 cup of water and then start mixing. Once it looks like this, put your fish slices into the mixture for marination, just as shown. Cover it from both sides so the taste of the fish enhances. Once you are done, put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours to marinate. After marination, put on your frying pan. When it's hot and ready for the fish slices to be fried in, then put the fish slices in. Fry each side for 3 minutes. Fry in a way that is shown in the video. After 3 minutes, flip the fish and then fry the other side for 3 minutes as well. You can fry with it green chilies as well if you like. This smells amazing. After 3 minutes, when the fish is done, dish out the fish in a presentable way.
It's ready.
It looks amazing and crispy. This is by far one of the best fishes I've ever tried. This tastes amazing. If you enjoyed the recipe, be sure to subscribe our channel, and until then, Allah Hafiz.